Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft with a beautiful 1976 F33A to tell you about today. She has a little extra pep in her step under the cowling. Let's take a look. So this beautiful F33A has an engine conversion I think you will appreciate. Teldon Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine conversion. We have the GAMI fuel injectors and 1262 on the engine since factory Reman. So when it comes to standing out, I love the colors and the paint scheme. And check this out, we have vortex generators. And you know that's a huge plus when it comes to safety and aerodynamics. The exterior of this F33A is Matterhorn white overall with deep blue and gold stripes in good condition, 3,900 hours total time on the airframe since new. The useful load for this F33A, 1256. And check this out, we do have the 5th and 6th seat. You can remove them if necessary, but they're in good condition. So come take a seat with me. Let me tell you about the interior. Nice deep blue carpet, beautiful seats, gorgeous gray wool, and we've got the blue trim on it. Shoulder harnesses for everybody, and we do have the 5th and 6th seat. We have 4-place intercom system, Rosen sun visors, lots to love. So let's check out the flight deck. You'll enjoy an Aspen EFD 1000 Pro EFIS panel with GPS-S steering. We have a Garmin 480 GPS Navcom map with WAAS on board. Your number 2 is a Garmin Digital Navcom. Our transponder is a Garmin GTX 330ES with ADS-B out. And your Autopilot is a Century 3 with altitude hold and Glideslope coupling. Also, the Autopilot is integrated to the Aspen EFIS glass panel. Other features you will appreciate: vortex generators, dual control wheels, shoulder harnesses for all 6 seats, and yes, we have 6 total seats. The 5th and 6th seat are installed. Rosen sun visors, GAMI fuel injectors, Shannon engine baffles, standby attitude indicator, electronic engine monitor, custom aircraft cover, and more. This 1976 F33A is looking for a new home. My favorite part about it, the engine conversion, IO 550 300 horsepower. We have nice interior, nice paint, great avionics. You know how popular the F33 is, so give us a call right away. We are Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. It's our specialty, only the finest pre-owned, prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas. Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you Bonanza. I'm May K. Beeler for Carolina Aircraft. Thanks so much for watching.